Hello, and welcome to Windows 10 tip number 6. Today we're going to be talking about Microsoft Edge, the new browser that Microsoft made and released alongside Windows 10, and how to change your default search engine. So I'm going to go ahead and open Microsoft Edge. And so this is supposedly a really nice and fast browser from Microsoft, but potentially one of the downsides is that if you try to search for something, the default browser is, of course, Bing, which is also a Microsoft product. Now, if you're a fan of Bing and that's how you want to leave it, then that's fine, and you can continue to use Microsoft Edge this way. However, if you want to try Microsoft Edge but you're unwilling to give up Google as your browser, or maybe you prefer DuckDuckGo or something else, I'll show you how to change your default search provider in Edge. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit up these three periods here, this ellipses, to get the More Actions menu to open up. Then we're going to select Settings, the very last option at the bottom here. And then we're going to scroll down until we get the View Advanced Settings, because apparently changing your search provider is an advanced setting. So we're going to scroll down until we get to this area that says Search in the address bar with, and then the default is, of course, Bing. If we click Add New, you'll see that we don't actually have anything to add. Uh-oh. So what we actually have to do first is visit the website, the search provider that we want to add. So I'm going to go ahead and type in www.google.com. And it's going to take me to Google. And so there's some code on Google's website that has now enabled Google as a search provider. So now if I go to Settings, View Advanced Settings, and then find the search area, I can go ahead and click Add New, and now I have Google Search as an option. And I can right away not only add it, but also add it as the default search provider. And now if I click My Search, lo and behold, I'm using Google. I'll also briefly show you how to do the same thing with DuckDuckGo. It's going to be a very similar process where you just visit DuckDuckGo.com. They've actually made it a little easier where you have a button down here and it's going to display the same steps that I just listed out. But once I visited DuckDuckGo, that also becomes a search provider available to me from this menu. Alright, and that's how you change your default search provider in Microsoft Edge.